Hi, my name's Hannah Gold and I'm a World Book Day author for 2026 with my book, Bear Rescue. You may know me from my first book, The Last Bear, which I followed up with another story called Finding Bear. All of my stories are heartwarming animal adventures, almost like a warm, cosy bear hug after a long day at school. I love writing about faraway places which immerse the reader in the most thrilling of adventures. And I wanted to share with you my favourite place to read, which is this gold armchair. It's soft, it's comfortable, it feels like velvet, and I can't think of a better place than to curl up in and read one of my favourite books. There's nothing more important than feeling comfortable when you read. You know, I sometimes find it hard to focus on my reading if I've got my phone turned on and I'm constantly distracted, which is why I like to just cut off the phone and curl up on a nice cozy beanbag or on the armchair with my book so I can totally immerse myself in the adventure and be whisked away to the most magical of lands. The kind of book which I would love to read more of would be translations. Reading books by authors who live in different countries, I think would really open my mind to the wonders of the world and give me even more empathy for people who are having different experiences to me. My top 5 books for adventure would be my book, The Last Bear, The Explorer by Catherine Rundell, The Girl Who Stole an Elephant by Nisrana Farouk, Running Wild by one of my author heroes, Michael Morpurgo, and also The Last Firefox by Lee Newberry. I love all of those books because they're packed full of adventure and guaranteed to take you away to the most amazing places.